Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can create a very good incentive plan for your people and your business as well. See, I'd like to alter the way in which people think about incentive. People think incentive is something that as an entrepreneur, I'm sharing from my profits. I'm sharing my profits. I'm giving up my earnings so that my people can enjoy good money. No, that's not incentive. I'd like to alter the definition of incentive. The definition of incentive is the money that you are willing to share from the excess margin or excess profit that you are making. For example, you're doing a 1 crore turnover and you're making a profit of, let's say, 10%, right? So 10 lakhs is your profit. You're not going to share from that 10 lakh. Simple. So 10 lakh is your profit, 10% is what you want from your turnover. Boom, you take that away. Your people would support you to get something extra. They're reducing the expenses, they're increasing the productivity, they're negotiating with people, they're increasing the sales, they're increasing the margin. So you're going to have some excess earnings. I'm not even saying share the entire excess earnings. Share a small percentage from that, and that's exactly how you create a fantastic incentive plan. Let me give you an example. So 1 crore turnover, 10 lakh profit. Simple. Now, your productivity team, your manufacturing team is trying to produce more at less time. So basically your labor cost is coming down. So they've saved you about 5% of manufacturing cost, which is 5 lakh. You're not going to give away the entire 5 lakhs. Just give maybe 5% of that, 10% of that, 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, whatever it is. That's how you devise an incentive plan. And let's say CTC, okay? From 1 crore turnover, you want the entire staff salary and everything to be within 15 lakh. Their salary, ESI, PF, bonus, all of that. So let's say you're talking about a 15% cost for employees from the turnover. So your employees are giving their best and increasing the turnover by another 50%. So instead of 1 crore, they're doing 1.5 crores. So you're not spending 15%. Actually, your CTC is also coming down. So they've saved you about 5-7%. You're not giving that entire 5 lakh, 7 lakh as bonus. Just a small percentage from that. I think now your mind is opening up and you're able to get how creatively you can actually do this incentive plans. So be it manufacturing team, be it retail, be it cost to the company, be it negotiations during the purchase time. So wherever a cost is saved, so you need to start creating SBUs in your business. SBU means strategic business unit. You've got to create an intrapreneur culture. What is an intrapreneurship culture? People are working as employees, but they think, act and carry themselves and take responsibility to that of a business owner. Though I am an employee, I think like a business owner because I want to increase profits. Everything is measured in the business. So you create that kind of a business setup. I'm telling you, people will all start thinking about how to add more value. Because the reason why I'm talking so much about incentive is because your employees need to have this feeling that by working in this company, if you want people to work for your company for a longer time, you need to start attracting the right talents. There are people who are almost giving equal effort like that of you are giving, right? So you need to retain them. So they need to have a feel that by working in this company, I definitely will be able to achieve all my dreams in life. Dreams such as I want to get a good car, buy a home, buy a two-wheeler, get settled well, all of that. See, their salary could be 15,000, 20,000, 25,000. But with 15, 20,000, will they be able to achieve all this? Maybe not. But by means of incentive, he needs to think that yes, my salary is 15K, 20K, 25K, but still fine. But if I give my best, I will be able to take home additional 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. There's no limit for how much I can earn. Why would I need to start another company and suffer like my boss? Because I can see all his sufferings and sacrifices. He's putting so much money. He's got to sacrifice the time that he's putting here. Finance during unpredicted times, losses could come. So many issues. There is no stress or pressure like that for me. All that I have to do is he has invested the money. Customers are coming in. Employees are there. I just have to increase the productivity. Reduce the expenses, increase the margins, and make the business earn more. When the business is earning more, I'm also getting a share. So that's when they start to think like a company or an entrepreneur by themselves. So they're part of a company, but it's a department inside the company, but the department itself is functioning like a separate company. So intrapreneurship culture. So that way they feel that they have a great future by working not just for you, working for you, for your company, and by working for themselves. So hope and believe this was useful, because incentive is must, because giving incentive is not costly. I'm telling you, not giving incentive is actually costly. So I want you to grow and keep on growing. This is James Vinith, a good friend who wants to see you and your business achieve skyrocketing growth. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, it's me signing off. Bye-bye.